Welcome to my YouTube channel Exp22 Excel Chapter 4 Cumulative Assessment AutoSales. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, static and other courses. So I will guarantee you are 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So assignment title is Exp22 Excel Chapter 4 Cumulative Assessment AutoSales. So we move to the question number 1. So question number 1 is start Excel, download and open the file name Exp22 Excel Chapter 4 Cumulative Assessment AutoSales. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. So go to the Excel worksheets. I have already downloaded the Exp22 Excel Chapter 4 Cumulative Assessment AutoSales. So question number 1 is complete. We move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is convert the data tables, name the table inventory and apply the gold table style medium tense. So convert the data table and name the table name is inventory. So convert the data tables, go to the insert tabs and go to the table groups, click the tables and click OK. And next is name the table inventory. So copy the name and go to the table design tabs and go to the table name groups, click the table name and entries inventory, press enter. So table name is inventory and apply the gold table style medium 19s. Apply the gold table style medium 19s. So go to the table design tabs and gold table style medium 19. So find the gold table style medium 19. Gold table style medium 19. Click OK. So question number 2 is complete. We move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is remove the duplicate records. Remove the duplicate records, go to the Excel worksheets and go to the table design tabs and next is go to the tools and click the remove duplicate records, click the selectors and click OK. So 3 duplicate value found and remove the 100 unique value remain. Note that the count may include empty cell spaces etc. Click OK. So remove the duplicate records and so question number 3 is complete. We move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is next is question number 4 is sort the table by make in alphabetical orders and second level to sort by year smallest to largest and third level to sort by sticker price smallest to largest. So sort the table by make in alphabetical orders. Sort the table by make. So go to the data tabs and go to the sort and filter groups, click the sorts and sort the table by make. Sort the table by make in alphabetical order and add the second level sort by year smallest to largest and sort by year smallest to largest and next is and third level sort by sticker price smallest to largest and third level is click the add levels and sort by third level is sort by sticker price and sort by sticker price This is smallest to largest, smallest to largest, and smallest to largest. Click OK. So question number 4 is complete. We move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is, repeat the field name on all pages. So repeat the field name on all pages. So go to the page layout tabs and go to the page setup groups, click the print titles and select the row to repeats in all pages. Select one, row once, click OK. So question number 5 is complete. We move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is, change the page break so each vehicle make is printed on a separate page using the tool located on the page layout tabs in the page setup groups. Change the page breaks on a vehicle make the printed on a separate page using the tool located on the page layout tabs in the page setup groups. So change the page breaks on each vehicles. So go to the page layout tabs. So go to the review tabs and click the page break to the view tabs and go to the workbook view and click the page break, and vehicle make is printed on a separate page using the tool located on the page layout tabs in the page setup groups. So insert the page break. Insert the page break, and next is so insert the 3 page. So question number 6 is complete. We move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is, add a footer with the username on the left side, the sheet name code in the center, and file name code on the right side using the page setup dialog box located on the page layout tabs. So add the footer with the username on the left sides and sheet name code in the center and the file name code on the right side, and using the page setup dialog box located on the page layout tabs. Footer with the username in the left side. So go to the normal and go to the page layout tabs, go to the page setup groups, and next is header and footer. Create the custom footer, and custom footer is your name in the left side. So type the your name in the left side. And next is and sheet name code in the center. Then insert the sheet name code in the center, and last is file name code in the right side. file name code in the right side. Insert the file name codes in the right side, click OK. And next is page setup dialog box located on the payload tabs and click OK. So question number 7 is complete. We move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is free the first row on the fleet information worksheets. So free the first row on the fleet information worksheets. So click the fleet information worksheets and freeze the first row. So go to the view tabs, go to the window groups and click the freeze pane. So freeze the first row. Freeze the first row and information worksheet. So question number 8 is complete. We move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is click or navigate to cell information worksheets and convert the data tables, name the table cells and apply the green table style dark 11 on the cell information worksheets. So go to the cell information worksheets and convert the data to tables, name the table as sales and apply the green table style dark 11. So convert the data tables and go to the insert tabs and go to the table groups, click the tables, click OK. And next is convert the data table and name the table is sales. So copy the table name and paste the table name as sales and press enter. And next is and apply the green table style dark 11. Green table style dark 11 and apply the green table style dark 11. So go to the table design tabs and green table style dark 11. Green table style dark 11. Click OK. Green table style dark 11. So question number 9 is complete. We move to the question number 10. So question number 10 is type the percentage of sticker in cell E1. So copy the title and paste the title in cell E1. So select the E1 and paste the title, press enter. So question number 10 is complete. We move to the question number 11. So question number 11 is create a formula with the structure reference, calculate the percentage of sticker price and column E. So create the formula structure reference, calculate the percentage of sticker price and column E. So in cell E2 and structure reference, calculate the percentage of the sticker price in column E. So next just type the sticker price divided by sale price and press enter. So question number 11 is complete. We move to the question number 12. So question number 12 is format the range E2 to E30 with the person style number format with the no decimal places. So copy the value E2 to E30s and paste the value, press enter. So select the range, and next is with the person styles number formats. Person styles with the number formats, and go to the home tabs and go to the number groups and click the percents and click OK. Percent styles and zero decimal places, and zero decimal places, click OK. So question number 12 is complete. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam.